What's up, guys? So this here is New Dude 167, and today what I have for you is a review on this Android box, which is called the Matrixbox. It's a X95 Max. It's a pretty decent Android box. You could put a lot of different content on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you everything that it has to offer when it comes within the package. I'm going to show you everything. It hasn't been open. I'm going to show you all the different contents, everything that comes with it. And then after that, I'm going to show you all the different features and all the different specs. I'm going to tell you about them. And then after that, I'm going to hook it up and we're going to show you exactly how this box works and how it performs and exactly what comes on this default box. Okay, but before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, okay? Help me out, guys. Let's get this video throughout YouTube by giving it a thumbs up, by commenting. Let me know what you think about this Android box, which is the Matrixbox X95 Max. Let me know what you think about it based off the specs as well as the features. And by the way, if you've ever used this box or if you have this box, let us all know the goods and the bads, okay? So like I said, I'm going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you all the features, all the specs, all that. The only thing is though, guys, is if you've been using this box, let us know all the goods and the bads, okay? So I haven't used it at all, so I couldn't say if it's a good box or a bad box, but I'm going to show you everything that it has to offer. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it on up. Okay, let's take this plastic off. That way I could show you exactly what it has, okay? So this is it, okay? It's the Matrixbox. I've already gone over that with you. All right, we have a couple different things here. All right, the back, okay, the back, okay. It just gives us a quick little couple things about it, which I'm going to go over here shortly. All right, so enough of that. Let's go ahead and open it up, okay? All right, here we are. Okay, so here we are, guys. All right, when we first open up the box, here's our actual unit. All right, pretty nice. This is the first time looking at it, guys. Really nice, really cool. Okay, so on the top, okay, looks pretty decent. A lot of venting, a lot of air venting. Really, really cool, guys. All right, not bad whatsoever. Okay, we'll go over this box here shortly, okay? So there's that. Okay, let's see if I can get this stuff out of here. All right, so it has its power cord. All right, HDMI cable, as well as the remote. Really cool, guys, really cool. The remote's not bad whatsoever. Okay, let's move that on over. All right, there we go. Get rid of that stuff over there. All right, the box, guys, the box. Let's go ahead and go over this box really quick, okay? So, like I was saying, there's a lot of venting on this box. A lot, guys, a lot. Okay, so the front. Here's the front. When you turn it on, it's going to show you the display right here, okay? This will be the display. Let's go ahead and go this side. There's nothing on this side. But on the back, guys, check this out, okay? You have your DC power cable all the way to the right. Your HDMI cable, your LAN, okay, you have your landline, okay, and then you have your AV as well. Also, guys, you do have that audio video port all the way to the left, as well as your optical audio port, okay, right next to that. Really nice, not bad whatsoever. Okay, so here's this, okay, we have a couple different USB ports. So the one on the left is your 2.0, all right, and then you have your 3.0 as well as your external memory card or your micro SD card. Really cool. Okay, so on the bottom, guys, there's, let me see. Okay, are these aren't vent holes. They aren't vent holes, but it does look pretty nice. Tells you a couple different things within this box. Not bad whatsoever. All right, so let's go ahead and go over a couple of the different specs really quick, okay? You know what? On the bottom, usually these little garments right here, they usually come rubber. That way it don't slide. But this one here, it's plastic. Everything's plastic. It's actually really light. I would have to say it's really light compared to some of the devices I've used or I've had, or I should say I do have. Okay, so enough of that. Let's go ahead and go over a couple of the different specs as well as a couple different features. Okay, so like I was saying, this is the X95 Max. Okay, it's an Android box. It has the fast and updated Android 9.0 operation system, which is pretty decent. It has the 64-bit quad-core processor, and this here also supports the 4K, okay? So if you have a 4K TV, it will support 4K quality, okay? So this X95 Max, it has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of ROM. All right, it also has the option of an expandable memory up to 128 gigabytes, guys. That's a lot, guys. That's a lot. So, like I said, you could get you a micro SD card, put it right here, and it'll give you an additional 128 gigabytes. A lot, guys. That's a lot of memory. Okay, so it also supports Bluetooth 4.2. All right, and you could connect multiple devices. All right, such as your speakers, I don't know, headsets, mini keyboards, and pretty much so on. Okay, a lot of great options. Okay, it has dual band Wi-Fi that can reach up to gigahertz or a gigabyte wireless speed for more of a stable Wi-Fi signal, which is really great, really awesome. All right. Also, it has a USB 3.0 for faster transmission. Okay, so if you want to get that faster transmission, use that 3.0 USB port. Okay, the 3.0. Really, really nice, guys. All right, so like I was saying though, guys, it's a pretty decent box. I don't know, guys. This is the front. Like I was saying, it feels really light, okay? Really light. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, okay? I really don't. I would like to see rubber garments instead of plastic garments on here, but hey, I guess it doesn't really matter as long as it performs right, okay? Or it performs good. Okay, let me check out this remote just to show you what it looks like really briefly before we turn this thing on and go from there, okay? So, it's kind of like your average remote pretty much for the majority of our Android boxes. All right, not bad. It has your volumes, it has your mouse, which is really cool. You can navigate with this here, really nice. All right, but anyways, enough of that. Like I said, this is the Vankyo Matrixbox X95 Max, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what it looks like when you first open it up, after you sign in, everything like that. So let me hook it up and we'll get right onto this video. All right, so this is what it looks like when it is turned on. You have your front display, really nice, really crisp. It looks really, really good. It has your Wi-Fi signal as well as the time. Really cool, really awesome. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you the screen exactly what it has to offer. It's a really, really nice box. All right, guys, so this is exactly what it looks like when you first open it up. It looks really nice, really crisp. I'm telling you, it looks really good, guys. So I haven't done anything but hooked up to Wi-Fi. All right, so let's check it out, okay? So you have click to search. Okay, you could search with your web browser. I'm gonna hit no thanks. All right, so we went back. All right, we have our Play Store, which is one of the best options within this device, any Android device. Okay, we have all these different collections, a couple different apps. Okay, down here are a few other apps as well. Okay, so this is your clean memory, your Play Store, your file browser, your gallery, a lot of different options as well, okay? Really cool. You could update your setup wizard, your Chrome, Mobdro, check that out, guys. Mobdro, really, really cool, guys. Okay, then your K add-ons, you know what that is. Nice, nice. Netflix, really, really cool, guys. Okay, all the way to the bottom, we have My Apps, Settings, and then My Quest, okay? Really cool. Let's go ahead and go into My Apps. Check this out. So remember, these are all default. Okay, so You have your Air Screen, your Google, Kata, Mobdro. We already seen majority of these. Really cool. You have your root browser, YouTube, voice search. All right, let's go back. Okay, let's go ahead and go into settings. Okay, so we have our Wi-Fi setting. All right, accounts and sign in. Okay, so I haven't signed in yet. I just put this on. I didn't do anything yet. Okay, apps. I already showed you apps. Okay, device preferences. Check this out. About. Okay, these are all the different options. Okay, it tells you your device name. It's the X95 Max. You can restart it. Okay, status. Okay, your network serial number and other information. Well, let's check it out. Let's see what it does. Okay, IP address, Bluetooth. All right, let's get rid of that. Okay, legal information. This is the model and version. All right, pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice. All right, we have our date and time. All right, so you could use, I already set this up. It didn't take long, okay? I put the Mountain Daylight Time, okay? You could use 24-hour format, 12-hour format, whatever you feel like. Okay, language, if you want a different language, your keyboard and autofill. Okay, storage, let's check this out. Okay, internal shared storage, okay, 32 gigabytes. Not bad, guys, quite a bit of storage. Remember, you could use that your external memory, which could give you up to 124 gigabytes. A lot, guys, a lot. Okay, location, security restrictions. Okay, unknown sources and verify apps. Okay, accessibility, and then reset. All right, remotes and accessories and advanced settings. All right, so we have all these options. You could do your root switch, your picture. There's even more settings as well. All right, so let's go back. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and let's go to, I don't know, let's see what Google is. Let's see if we could use it without signing in. Sign in to get started. All right, well, we don't really want to sign in to get started. All right, so let's go ahead and go back. You know what, let's check this out. Okay, let's go to apps, or my apps. Oh, what did I hit? Settings. Let's go to my apps. My bad, guys, my bad. Okay, we're going to go to Chrome. All right, and we're going to search. You know, I'm going to use the mouse option on our device. And let's do this, okay? Let's type in, all right, let's go ahead and go to file linked, okay? Let's type in file linked, okay? I know it's kind of weird on the video. I hate the fact that it does that, guys. Okay, let me see if I could get this. Okay, we'll use our mouse. We're going to go down to file linked. I hate how it does this lines on here. I hate that, guys. I do. Okay, so we're going to go to one. I'm not doing that. All right, so it's not working. So let's go ahead and go up, I guess. Let's click this, see what this does. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so we're going to download file link, guys. We're going to download file link. Chrome needs to storage access to continue. Okay, let's go ahead and hit continue and allow. Okay, it's harmful. Go ahead and push OK. Oh, I guess I have to use the mouse because it's still on the mouse. All right, so we're going to download it. It's downloading. Awesome, guys, awesome. Okay, open. All right, we're going to hit install way over here on the bottom right. Sorry about this screen. It just does that with my camera. I don't have all my usual equipment within my apartment right now, so I do have to make the video kind of like the way it is. All right, and here we are, guys. Here's filing. As you could see, it didn't take long whatsoever, guys, whatsoever. Pretty fast, guys, pretty fast. All right, so with that being said, let's go on up. Okay, with that being said, though, guys, a pretty nice, decent Android box. Not bad whatsoever. All right, so remember, though, guys, remember, this here is the Matrixbox X94, or 95 Max. Sorry about that. The X95 Max. Pretty decent box. Remember, it's a Android 9.0 operation system, 64-bit quad-core processor. Supports 4K quality, guys, 4K. Remember, it has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of ROM. Plenty of space, guys, plenty of space. Bluetooth. It has dual band Wi-Fi. It also has that USB 3.0 as well as a 2.0 as well. A lot of great options, guys. Pretty decent box, okay? So, with that being said, what I did is I done an opening. I unboxed this Android box. I showed you everything that it had to offer, okay, when you first open it up. I showed you the device, what it looks like as far as when you turn it on. It has a pretty nice display as well as your Wi-Fi, your digital display. All right, and then I showed you a little bit about what it looks like when it's default, when you first open it up as default. And I showed you how quick and fast it was to get onto file linked. Okay, really fast, guys, really, really fast. All right, with that being said though, guys, if you want one of these devices, all you have to do is click that link in the description, okay? Click that link in the description. All right, it'll take you straight to gearbest.com and you could purchase one of these devices, guys. It's a really nice device. Like I said, it's a good device. Check that description. I'll throw it in the description. I might even throw it as a pinned comment. All right, if you like it, if you want it, let me know in the comment section. I'll put it as a pinned comment. Otherwise, it'll just be in the description. Not bad whatsoever for this box. Pretty decent box. Okay, and what I'm going to do though, guys, what I did, like I said, I done the unboxing. I showed you what it looks like, what it looks like as default. And now though, guys, I'm going to show you here in about 2 weeks or so. I'm going to use it. I'm going to show you all the flaws, the goods and bads. So if you want one of these boxes, you just don't know how it runs, wait for a good week or two. Let me mess around with this. Let me get into this device. Let's see how great it actually performs. I'll give you the cons, the pros and the cons, whether it's good or bad, okay? I don't discriminate. It's a review. I'm going to tell you the goods. I'm going to tell you the bads. And if I really honestly think it's worth the money and if you should buy it or not. As of right now, it's a pretty decent device. I mean, I didn't get into anything, but as you could see, it took a matter of seconds to install file linked. So with that being said, I'm going to install apps. I'm going to install a bunch of different APKs. Let's see how this thing runs, okay? 2 or 3 weeks. Give me 2 or 3 weeks. I'll show you exactly how it runs. All right, and with that being said though, guys, thank you for watching this video. I truly and honestly appreciate you watching this video. And thanks for the support like usual, whether you're a new subscriber, an existing subscriber, or you're just passing through. Thank you for the support. Hit that thumbs up button. Comment, let me know what you think about this device, and then finally subscribe. When you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. That way anytime I upload a video, it'll go straight to your notifications. And then, like usual, if you run into any problems whatsoever installing or running any of these different apps, any of these different devices, all you have to do is comment in the comment section and I will definitely get back to you. All right, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.